Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the review of the Realme X8 Max device after using 250 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been 250 days of using the Realme X8 Max device and I'm getting plenty of comments regarding the long-time review of this particular mobile phone. So that's the main reason I thought of uploading this video right now. And quick note, there's a quick sale is going on the Flipkart website and the Realme X8 Max where you can actually buy this device for about 23,500 rupees. Yes friends, 23,549 is the rupees where you can actually buy this device, and for this price there are few users who did already purchase the device and who are actually thinking of buying the device as well. So I'd like to show you the couple of comments which I did receive today saying that a few users did purchase this in that sale. So as you can see friends, these are the comments which I are getting exactly right now. So yesterday I bought the Realme X8 Max for 25k, 8GB and 128GB variant, and some users they are like really convinced to buy, and some users still they are not convinced. I mean, still they are having doubts, should they buy and should they invest on this device or not. And this video will give the clear idea friends, where I'll try to explain each and every small aspect. So each and every small things, advantages and disadvantages, my complete honest unbiased review in this entire video. So first thing about the performance, display, camera, battery charging, build quality, connectivity, software updates, which is really good in this device and which is kind of okay and which is not kind of okay. These are the few areas which I'll try to concentrate in this entire video. So first thing, let's start with the price. For 23,000 rupees, 500 rupees, it's really good. 23,500, fantastic deal. I would definitely love this deal, I can say on the Realme X8 Max, because Realme X8 Max will not have the usual sale deals. It will be like for every 2 months they'll keep the discount on this device, but on the Realme X8 Max they'll keep for every 1 month they'll keep discount on this device. So it's like that friends, so you should definitely understand regarding the discount. So it's really rare to get this kind of price. And next, talking about the processor, Dimensity 1200 processor which is present in this device, so which is also really fantastic processor. So it's kind of close to Snapdragon 870. It's not equal to Snapdragon 870. So there's a difference, close and equal. So it's not equal to Snapdragon 870, but it's kind of okay, as you can see friends. The main reason why there has been slight letdown in the performance is because of the Realme UI. Yes friends, the Realme UI is the one which is not supporting much in this device, because the phone doesn't support 90 FPS in the battlegrounds mobile game, and the phone doesn't support any 4D vibrations, and phone will not support any 120Hz high refresh rate games you cannot play because of Realme UI restrictions. So performance wise, the hardware is really good, but the software optimization is not that well from the Realme side, not from the game developers. Don't think there's some problem with the game developers. No, this is all doing the Realme UI. Yes, exactly. I'll try to show you the proof as well friends. So here's the battlegrounds mobile game, default 90 FPS, the game has been updated. So game developers, their task is done, like providing 90 FPS. What else they want to do? Like they provide 90 FPS, done. But the Realme UI on the top of this one is the one which is restricting, so which not allowing us to play at 90 FPS, giving only 70 FPS. Okay, forget 70 FPS and 90 in the battlegrounds mobile game. What about the other 120Hz gameplays? No, still you cannot play 120Hz high refresh rate games in the Realme X8. Not only in this phone, even in the Realme GT Neo 2, even in the other Realme smartphones as well, same thing is going on, same story is repeating. And this game actually supports 120Hz. This game supports up to 160Hz as well friends. This much of capability is there for this game, but playing at 60 FPS. This is very small game. What will happen if they try to provide this 120Hz for the small games? Yeah, phone will not heat and you will be able to play with very smooth experience, right? So that's what it's kind of really annoying friends, why the Realme is not allowing us to play at higher refresh rate games, 90 FPS and 120 FPS, not supporting. There's no point in buying this kind of smartphone and not allowing it. You can look at the graphics and animation friends, how cool it looks. Just imagine playing this game in the 120Hz, how much cool you'll be getting the experience. That's what I'm actually missing while playing in the Realme X8 Max device every time. So hopefully the Realme should figure out a way to give the 90 FPS. So apart from this one, I don't have any kind of much complaints. There can be occasional like small heating issues, but after the Realme UI 3.0 I did not find any kind of much heating issues happening in this device anyway. That's something you should know about this Realme UI device. And this is a quick information friends about the performance in this device. Overall you can see the gameplay experience is really very good and top notch as well, not much complaints. For 24,000 rupees I do feel really it's really worth of buying for 24,000 rupees. So next thing is regarding the display. What about the display in the Realme X7 Max? Is it kind of okay or not? Yes, it's really good. So no problems with the DRMF info and all those things. L1 certification is there, and still HDR in the Netflix is not supported in the Netflix. No, you cannot use, but in the Amazon Prime you can use with the HD. HD is supported between both phones, no problem. But HDR is not supported in the Netflix. So that's something you should know about the display. No green tint problem and nothing at all. So it's kind of perfect for the display. Nothing much major complaints in the Realme X7 Max device. So next thing is regarding the display. I mean, I forgot to mention regarding the brightness nits also. The phone was able to reach up to high level brightness nits in my testing. While using the auto brightness mode, if you try to use, the phone will definitely reach up to high brightness levels. Let me try to use the auto brightness mode and demonstrate. And it can go up to 600, and if I try to point some light source on the lights, I mean sensor, in the sensor, then the brightness will automatically increase, I guess. Auto brightness mode, it should be able to increase. Let me try to so right now we are getting about 600 nits of peak brightness levels. And then I'm trying to keep the torchlight exactly on the sensor. 600 nits we are getting. So this is a quick information about the brightness nits. Overall, not bad in the Realme X7 Max device regarding the brightness nits. And overall, friends, display quality seems to be kind of pretty good. Nothing much complaints in the display of the Realme X7 Max device. So next, let's move to the next topic, which is a camera topic. Camera is another one which is kind of okay, average, I would say. Not great, but it's kind of average. It's not even bad. It's not even bad, friends. It's kind of decent enough. Like, I was using this device from the beginning to till now. Like, so many photos I have taken, so many photos, so many videos, recording, so many things. As you can see in the beginning of using the device, the selfie you can see is outdoor selfie, how the clarity it is. And low light photography, it's not that great in the low light photography. It's not that good. So it's compared with other smartphones, it's not great regarding the low light photography in this device overall in this phone. And this outdoor selfie shot as well, which are taken in the outdoor selfie shot, which is also really pretty good. Nothing much complaints, no problems regarding the selfie. As you can see, friends. So regarding the camera wise, it's kind of decent enough, friends. Nothing much major complaints. And 4K 60 FPS is also supported in this device. Let me show the camera recording here. So 4K 60 FPS you can record, that's also possible in this phone, no issues with that. And next, let's move to the battery and the charging. Battery charging also not bad, friends. Battery backup will definitely vary from one software update to other software update. So charging speed takes 50 minutes to 60 minutes of time in the device. Overall, you can expect 6 hours of minimum screen on time, 6.5 hours to 7 hours of screen on time, but 6 hours is a minimum one. And next thing regarding the build quality, also nothing much more problems. So haptic feedback is very strong and good, and dual speaker setup, 3.5mm jack is present. And when you try to play in the high volume, the backside vibrations will be happening in this device because of plastic quality, so you can definitely understand. And connectivity wise also, it's pretty good. More 5G bands, 4G plus, check. Wi-Fi 6 also check. So 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, no issues. Software updates, we might be able to get Android 13. I think that might be the last in the Realme X7 Max device. So friends, in my opinion, after using for 250 days of usage, so for this price, I really did like the performance and overall small compact phone as well. Compact and powerful phone you can actually get in the combination of this device. So these are the few details about the Realme X7 Max device, friends, after using for 250 days of usage. In case if you're having any other doubts, make sure to check out my playlist on the Realme X7 Max. My playlist will give the clear idea what's going on with this device. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.